Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this video I want to discuss about file handling in Python. So first of all, there are various modes available in Python for file handling. So first one is for read mode, which is the default mode. Even if you don't specify which mode you're trying to handle file, it will be by default be in read mode. And then you have the write mode with W, and then append mode, and then you have the binary mode. Okay, so the read mode is the default and it opens a file for reading. Then you have the write mode, which opens a file for writing, and it creates a new file or truncates the existing file. So basically what it means is that if if you specify a file name, if it does not exist, then it will create a new file for it. Okay, and if the file name exists, if that particular file exists and it has a content in it, then it will override the existing file's content. So that is the write mode. And then you have the append mode. So in the append mode, what it does, it opens the file for appending, and it also creates a new file if it does not exist. So what does this append mean? So append means, right, whatever the content of the previous file is there, it will remain intact and the new content will be added after the original content. Okay, so it will be getting appended or added after the original content. So that is the append mode. And then you have the binary modes, which is used with other modes to open a file in binary mode, and that's the example given here. So how does you open a file here? So you can use the open function, then you can pass the file name and then the mode, which mode you are um, want to open in. And then you can use the function either if you want to write it, you can use file.write, and you can pass the whatever the content you want to write. All right, so that's the way to and also it is one more thing I want to mention here is that it is also essential to close the file. Now there are various ways you can do. Another way is with using the with statement, which is a best practice for file handling because it ensures that the file is properly closed after it chose and finished the whatever the operation has been done. So you can use with statement as well. So here's example how you can use file handling with the with statement. So you can use with open and then the file name mode as a object, and then you can print that content. So that's the way to do this. Now reading a file. So in this here we have created a file. I have opened the file, and this one I haven't specified any mode here, so this will be by default in read mode. And then I have copied the content to this variable, and then I'm printing that. Okay, and then I'm implicitly closing it. Okay, so that is for reading mode. Similarly for write mode, same thing except that it is pass the mode as R, and then I'm just writing it to it. Alright, and then I will be closing it as well. So this was some examples. So we can also use, finally what to discuss is the with regards to using the try and exception block. So if there is any exceptions with regard to any file handling, then it can be handled very quickly and easily. So this is how to do. You can use under try catch block. So try then with open, so that I don't have to specifically close out the file. It will be taken care with this with statement. And then accept file not found. and whatever the error that you want to pass. Okay, so that's how the entire file handling works in Python. So I hope you understand what was this is about, and I will see you guys in the video. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.